Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see TikTok private account videos. So for this, first of all, just open up the TikTok application in your mobile and then tap on this search bar in the upper right corner and you can search for any private account here. Let's say I search for this private account, open it up, and as you can see this account is private now. Now you have to tap on this, tap and copy this username account. As you can see username is copied. Now go back to your home page and open any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here. After that tap on the search bar and search for this privtech.com, and here you can see the blank where you can paste the username of the private account that you have copied previously, and you can tap on the unlock and we will finally be able to see private account videos. So by following this simple step you can see TikTok private account videos of anyone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.